Hi, I'm Jason Bryson. Today I'm going to show you how to make an air cooler machine. I'm going to show you the stuff that I've got and show you how to do it. Well, this is take 3. I've pulled a fan out of a digital recorder, as well as my brain's not functioning with all this corona lockdown stuff. Yeah. I bought some corners today, copper and a little bit straight ends. I also bought some 15mm pipe. I pre-cut it up so then we can sort this out and do it quicker. What I'm going to do is plop all these in to make two pieces like this. 2 J's. And then I'm going to weld them together once I've actually stuck gel in it. I think this one's going to be a bit... Nope, brilliant. This is take 3. Today's not really been a good sort of day. Gone out, done some exercise, but my brain's just not functioning properly as how it used to. But we get up and go and we do what we do. If you'd like to like, comment or subscribe, or all 3, it would be marvellous. Right. Have I done this wrong? Nope. Yes. Okay. Want 2 pieces like that, and then let's just stick that end in and this end in. I'm not gonna. There we go. And then we're going to bring the old welding machine out. I'm just going to heat it up and then I'll come back to you. Alright, I'm just going to heat this. So after all of that, what I'm going to do is add some gel. Doesn't have to be expensive gel, doesn't have to be too cheap gel. Whoop. Start seeing it come out the other end now. So do it with the other side. These are all 15mm. too much excess on that, so I'll scoop some into that. And while I'm trying to squeeze this side in, I've then got to contend with this side. That then brings us to the fan itself. That should slot in really nice and easy. So let's, so he says. That's then messed it up. Right, zip tie this with 4 zip ties. And then we should have something like this. If we then get our heatsink, but let's test for the battery which side is which. Let's say red is positive and black is negative. Yep. Which way is it blowing? So it's blowing out this way. So we should put our heatsink on the opposite side for extra coolant, and we're going to zip tie that up to that. So then we've ended up with something looking like this, and that could be used to then stand it up. Let's get down to the electrical parts. I'm going to be using 30 to 40 centimeters worth of speaker wire with 2 of these crimpets and 2 connectors for battery and title. I'm just going to fix all this up, so then this goes into that and the red one goes into that one, and then these go on the ends. If you fill an empty coffee glass up with water and stick some ice cubes in it, or actually then stick this in the freezer and then mount that on top, connect our negative and then connect our positive, and we are well on our way to a nice icy room ready for the summer. Sorry that this is long, but if you enjoyed this, please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time.